Let's go. We're accidentally wearing the same outfit.
Almost, yes. Same colors.
Another quick stop to take off even more clothes. I don't know what to do with my pants. Yeah, I don't feel like taking off my entire shoe, so my pants is staying right here. I'm really enjoying myself with this weather. We were expecting cloudy weather and possible rain. This is really nice.
Yeah, we've been blessed.
Yeah, we're lucky again. But I'm also really enjoying myself. We have no hurry to get to the campsite. We're just enjoying the nature around us, enjoying the sun. Really nice.
So I think we're almost at the campsite.
Yeah, somewhat. I'm starting to get a bit hungry.
Yeah, me too. I like half an hour.
Half an hour, yeah, less than half an hour, I think.
Okay. It's called Camping Veerhof. Wat is hier?
Our dog fell over the moment we got here. Look.
We made it.
We did.
It's not cold, but it'll still be good. Cheers.
Pretty good.
Nice.
So as you saw, we already put up the tent. The tent is in the shade, so we found this little area in the sun. I'll show you. Just heard it's really hot.
It's hot.
I like this one.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Well, don't. Thank you.
I just had 3 smaller bites. You had 2 big bites.
No.
Look at that, that's 2 of mine. I have to share equally.
Blowing on it. Snelle route vandaag. Do you have some of my beer? I'm not using the water boil system.
So we're just sitting here and I see a bunny. It is not moving. Oh.
The sun has gone down. It's getting real cold. So that's why we're all packed in.
I think you can see the last bit of sun behind us.
Yeah, looks nice.
Yeah.
So after this, we'll brush our teeth and go to sleep.
Yep.
So see you guys in the morning. croissant, egg, bacon, and some maple syrup. Learned this from Xander Budnick. Let's see if it's good. It's too sweet for me. It's okay.
I hope you can hear all the birds. There are so many birds here. Anyway, we had an okay night. It was pretty cold. It got to around freezing and our sleeping bags are not made for that. So if we want to camp again in this type of weather, we'll have to get new sleeping bags. We did have a really nice morning though. We had a nice breakfast, we had a coffee. I was just sitting in the sun, enjoying the sun. Yesterday at home I was thinking about why we go camping, and I think this is the reason. Of course, first of all to enjoy nature, but second of all to really enjoy the comforts in life, to appreciate your warm coffee in the morning, to enjoy the sun so much more when it's cold. In a minute now we'll pack up slowly and then go back to the car and go to the next location. The reason why we do it that way is because, again, here we are not allowed to wild camp, so we have to pick a camping for the night to stay at, and they're either too close together, so the walking is too little, or they are too far apart. So what we've done now a few times is park the car somewhere close to the camping we want to stay at and then walk a route to the campsite. Today we're walking back to the car, getting in the car, going to a different place, and then hike from there and then camp at another campsite. So that's the plan for today. We are all packed and ready to go. It is 11 a.m. now. The sun has really come through. It is nice and warm, so got sunscreen on, got my pants off, and we're good to go. Everybody ready? We parked the car, put our backpacks on, and now we're out. We saw a route. We're following the yellow route. It's 5 or 6 kilometers. And then we split off at the end and then we go to the campsite. I'm feeling a little bit tired, but now that we made a plan and we're out here, I'm excited again. So we're following yellow. Straight ahead. I said straight. We're using this little boat to get across. You have to pull it yourself, so you pull yourself across the water.
We're almost there.
Almost there.
Push it. Good boy.
We had a pretty good night. Right now we're making bacon pancakes and we're gonna enjoy those. Then we're gonna pack up and we're gonna go home. So this will be the end of the vlog and I hope to see you next time. Bye. Bye from the husband.
Bye bye.
Bye from the dog. Bye dog.